Hi. Okay, I took a shower and I will show you the thing catch my hair. I don't know what is that called. I will show you guys. And this is the result.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. We're going to do what we see everybody else do, take the sink off. My wife, she's frustrated with it, so this is why I'm trying to figure it out.
So he's using this one, girls. Yeah. I don't know how to put this, guys, so my husband helped me.
And I'm using tools that somebody else left in this house. So I know you gotta hold that. No, you gotta, see, we don't have enough tools. We need another one. I don't think we can do it. Oh, well, maybe.
Is that fit?
No, I gotta have something else to turn this. I don't have another wrench.
That one is you need to lock on.
Oh.
Yes.
1/2 inch. I didn't know that. He said 5/8 would work. But
Just put the lock to make it lock, right?
guys, this is a work in progress here.
There you go. You got it.
You sure? No, I didn't. Well, maybe I did.
There you go. Show it, baby. There you go. Show it.
All right, this is what we have left. And honestly, this one wasn't the one that you had to take off. And there was either a hex bolt or an Allen bolt, Allen wrench or you could use screwdriver to undo it. But this one did have the little switch that would allow you to take it off.
Why
Or
take
just
it
a one.
off?
It was just one step. The other ones you see on YouTube has 2 steps where you have to hold it and turn it and undo it, and then it leaves like a hex bolt or an Allen wrench. But this one was the one they're talking about. It's real easy to get off. Just one step, undo it.
Oh, that ours is only
Yeah,
one
it's got
step.
the catch. Yeah, ours
So you don't need to screw on the top.
no,
So ours is easy to
remove. Yeah.
Okay. Show these babies. Tell them I'm struggling with my hair.
Okay, now she struggled with her hair, and what this does, this thing right here catches the hair, it keeps it from clogging our drains, which is important out here because we're on our own water and sewer system, so we have to take care of everything that we have here on our own. Now, I don't know, I guess you just leave it down in there
Yeah.
like that, and you can see it kind of catches everything before it goes down the drain.
So we just moved this house, guys. So there you go.
That's real easy. Actually, I thought that was going to turn into a long tutorial. I had all this ready, and I had hex wrenches and screwdrivers. And it's just one step. Thank you, Jesus.
And that's it, guys. Now my husband helped me to put this one. So I'm struggling with my hair every day. So they catch my hair here. So now I have that one. That's it. There you go. Okay. I hope this helped. They look like, I bought this, guys, on Wish app, so it's cheap. I think I bought this $2 or $1. It's very cheap. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope, guys, help this video. Oh, the girls that struggle with their hair, try this. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to like our channel. Bye-bye. Okay, I took a shower and I will show you the thing catch my hair. I don't know what is that called. I will show you guys. And this is the result. Took a shower and okay, and you see this hair, there you go, catch my hair. You see the thing, there you go guys. Okay, there's my hair, there you go. Gross. With the soap, so I just took a shower that's still wet. So there you go guys. So buy it. I think they sell this at Walmart, or just search it. Wish Up. Okay. So here guys, my husband forgot to say bye-bye, so I will ask him to say bye-bye to you guys. Where are you, husband? Medyo magulo pa. Husband, you didn't say bye-bye to our viewers.
Bye-bye, viewers.
What did you...
Bye-bye, viewers. Bye-bye.
What did you... Video. Thank you.
Tapos.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What? And hit? And
hit the bell. So you can be notified.
Yes. Good job. Bye. There you go.